Here I have NUBIA Red Magic 6 Racing, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the arrow here, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable time watermark and also NUBIA watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermarks like this: shot on Red Magic 6 Racist, powered by NUBIA, and here you have timestamp. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.